Now to some big news involving two of our local hospitals. Steward Health Care operates both Odessa Regional Medical Center in Odessa and Scenic Mountain Medical Center in Big Spring. But now the company is filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, and that has some of you worried. You've been reaching out to us. Tyler Dupnick joins us tonight and explains how this impacts West Texans. Tyler.
Yeah, Crystal, while this is certainly not an ideal place for Steward Health and its hospitals to be, they say it was a necessary move made for its patients and employees. The filing is of voluntary petitions of relief under Chapter 11 of the U.S. Bankruptcy Code, which is essentially a restructuring of money. I'll explain that further in a moment. Steward tells us this decision was voluntary in order to maintain normal day-to-day operations, adding that their hospitals, medical centers, and physicians' offices are open and continuing to serve patients and the broader community, and that their commitment to their employees will not change. We are hearing from our regional hospitals connected to this decision. President Stacy Brown tells us in a joint statement, quote, Odessa Regional Medical Center and Scenic Mountain Medical Center have served this region for almost 50 years. Our hospitals and clinics remain open and ready to take care of our patients both locally and in the surrounding region. We appreciate your patience as we work through this process. It is important to remember that our commitment to excellence in patient care remains unwavering both today and always, end quote. As for the need for this filing, CEO of Steward, Dr. Ralph De La Torre, shared this in the announcement this morning, quote, in the past several months, we have secured bridge financing and progressed the sale of our stewardship health business in order to help stabilize operations at all of our hospitals. With the delay in closing of the stewardship health transaction, Steward was forced to seek alternative methods of bridging its operations. With the additional financing in this process, we are confident that we will keep hospitals open, supplied, and operating so that our care of our patients and our employees is maintained, end quote. Now, what is Chapter 11 bankruptcy? Well, according to the United States Bankruptcy Code, it is frequently referred to as reorganization bankruptcy. A Chapter 11 debtor usually proposes a plan of reorganization to keep its business alive and pay creditors over time. In this case, Steward is the debtor, and they are remaining in possession, usually meaning they have the powers and duties of a trustee, may continue to operate their business, and may, with court approval, borrow new money. In this filing, Steward will be a debtor in possession, financing from Medical Properties Trust for an initial funding total of $75 million. Steward says its goal is to resolve the Chapter 11 process as quickly as possible with the help of the U.S. Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of Texas, with a view to the long-term and sustainable financial health of the system.